Thanks for joining me in this video today. If you're a counselor and you're looking for a website for your business, then you're certainly in the right place because today I'm going to be showing you how to build a website for your business on the Mighty Sites platform. The Mighty Sites platform is the easiest way to create a simple website for your small business. You can literally launch your own website in less than 1 minute. It's super affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So click on the link below this video and give it a go. Once you join the platform, the very first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your market at the top. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles. We are adding more markets every single week as well. So I'm going to quickly make my way to the top and I'm going to go ahead and search for my market, counselor. There it is over there. Awesome. I'm now going to tell Mighty Sites a few basic details about my counseling business that I have. I'm going to go ahead and put in my company name, as well as my city and my state or region. It doesn't matter where in the world you're located, your counseling business is, you can enjoy the Mighty Site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and change the type of business from restaurant to service. Click on continue and let Mighty Site work its magic and create a simple website for my business. And there you have it. It's literally done it in not even a minute. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of Mighty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images. They're completely free for you to use. However, I'm sure you want to make one or two amendments to that content, perhaps to make it more suitable for your business. Maybe upload some of your own images, perhaps feature an image of yourself on your website under the About Me section. So today, that's exactly what I'm going to be showing you. You don't need to know coding to use the platform. You don't need to be a web developer or have any professional website development skills or even hire a professional to help you with this either. You can do it all yourself. It's that simple and it was designed with you in mind. So I'm going to quickly make my way to the top and click on the first section. I'm going to go ahead and put in my email address for my business as well as my phone number. I want to make sure that email address is displayed on my website, so I'm going to go ahead and tick the box. Phone number, it is click to call, by the way. Let's go ahead and put in our physical location if we have one. The great thing about that physical location, when your website is active and your customers click on it, it will automatically take them to Google Maps to get directions. Let's go ahead and put in our social media platforms over here that we're active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as the bottom of your website. Awesome. Let's move along. I'm now going to go ahead and upload my logo. If you don't have a logo yet, I recommend you check out canva.com for your business or even upwork.com. You can hire a freelancer on that website for an affordable rate, but do check out canva.com if your budget is limited. Logo's been uploaded. Let's go ahead and save. If you want to filter it, maybe zoom in or crop it so it fits better into the section, you can click on the little pencil. You can make it bigger and smaller on the right over here. Now with Mighty Sites as well, we pre-selected all the colors as well. If you want to change them to suit your business card, your branding, your marketing, and message, go ahead and click on the little paint bucket on the bottom right hand corner. No color coding needed. Awesome. For each section that you want to update, go ahead and click on update section underneath it and change the content to suit your needs. Buttons can all link to various places. Currently says contact me today, which I'm going to go ahead and leave. You can link to another website, maybe a calendar booking website like Calendly if you take online bookings, as well as an action like click to call directions, click to email. Otherwise, a PDF file, great option to upload a brochure with your services. Let's go ahead and update the image. If you need to update the image with one of your own, go ahead and click on browse your device. Otherwise, search through the photo library, hundreds of images to choose from, all completely free to use. In the About Me section is where you could upload a picture of yourself here and change the content for all your qualifications and your background in counseling. Go ahead and click on update section and work your magic underneath there. If your customers want to get in touch with you, they can do so on this contact form over here. Once they've submitted their message, put their details in, click send, you will get notified via email you have a new lead via this form. You'll also find all your leads over in the Marty dashboard, which I'm going to take you to shortly. If you have a custom domain for your business, go ahead and click on connect your domain. Say I already have a domain. If you don't have a domain yet for your business, you really want one to make your website look more professional, click on I want a new domain because you can now purchase your domain via the Marty Sites platform. Over here, you're in your Marty dashboard. You'll find your leads from that form at the bottom over here. Really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your counseling business. Really wishing you and your business mighty success. If you have any suggestions, features you'd like to see in future on our platform, maybe some questions or concerns, or you need some support, do comment below or drop us a message. We'd love to hear your feedback.